Hi, today I want to remind you and show you again, or show you for the first time, how to log into the Cambridge online workbooks for, in this case it will be for the interchange book. So if you're in my class, ESOL 300-70-90-72, I have already created an account for you. You do not need to create an account. And you do not need to register in my class. I've already added you into my class. So I will send you your username and I will tell you your password. So this is where you have to go. First you go up to here to this link, and I will send this link to you. www.cambridgelms.org/main/p/splash. No, it's a mouthful, but I'll send you the link so you don't have to worry about that. When you get there, you should see this login screen. You do not have to register. You do not have to buy anything. You should just be on the login screen. Here, type the username that I gave you, and then type in the password that I gave you, and click on Login. Takes a minute. All right, so you should already see the class that I've signed you up for, and so the way you get to it is you can click on, if you want to go right to the exercises, I would click on Content over here where it says Content. And here you have all of the units, and it shows your progress. For example, right now we're actually working on Unit 10. So I would go down to Unit 10, click on Show All, and then here's all the different exercises you can practice in Unit 10. So if you want to do it, you, for example, start on Exercise 1, and then it begins. So I enjoy working in sales. So do I. I like working the night shift. Well, I don't. I can't stand getting to work late. Neither can I. I'm interested in using my language skills. So am I. So now you can check your answers. We got them all right, 4 out of 4. And if you wanted to try again, you can. If you want to see the answers, you can. If you got something wrong, when you're done, click on Send Scores, and that will send the scores to my gradebook so I can see how you're doing on these exercises. So then if you want to go back, let's see, you could keep going or go back. Let me see here. So you could go to Exercise 2 to keep going, or you could go back to the main area. You click on Dashboard, it shows you the different options, and Content will take you back to where we started. So Content is where all the exercises are. That's what you really want to do. So that's basically it. Try it. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you have any trouble at all logging in, let me know. I have the power to reset your password, so if you don't remember your password, I can help you reset that. Okay, thanks. Good luck.